all, it's PJ and welcome to the preview for the 8-inch Block of the Month Club for May. April showers bring May flowers. So here's my take on flowers for this year. These are 3-dimensional. Each block is done with 2 separate hoopings. The first hooping sets up the flowers and they're completely clean finished. They're turned. The pattern is all in the design and then you cut them out, turn them, and then apply them. The center is a die cut piece, but I've also included a paper pattern or a SVG file. This is raw edge applique. And then there's a little bit of echo stitching in the blocks, as you can see here. So this is just 4. This has not been washed yet, but I have a version that has that I'll show you so you can see what it looks like after it's been washed. So there's this block. This is the plain block, and it shows the little bar tack here at the end. This is also on the flower block, although it's not on the samples, but it is in the design. So this block is just stitching. And then here's a sample just in different colors so that you can kind of see what's up here. A bit more contrast. And here's a sample that has been laundered. And this is straight out of the dryer. I didn't iron or press anything. This is just kind of what happens to the flowers when they come out of the washing machine. And of course, you could press these down a little bit more if you wanted to get them to lay a little bit flatter. And you can see some of them are laying flat, some of them aren't. So here's an example. You can also see kind of how much that shrunk. None of this was washed. And then of course, after washing. And then as well, these little guys are in this design as well, although I made these samples before I added that. It was pointed out to me that this would make a really good tactile type quilt for little kids, which is a really valid point. It didn't occur to me. But to make this a little bit sturdier so they can't actually rip the petals off is why I've added this little guy. So that's the block for this month. 3-dimensional flowers. Let's get started.